and welcome to our lipstick. So today I'm going to be doing an all matte eyeshadow look. I realized on my channel I have either never done one of these or maybe only done one, but I wanted to show you guys a just all matte look, and I'm going to be using my favorite matte palette, which is the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Palette, and we're gonna delve into the really warm side over here, which is out of my comfort zone. I tend to prefer cool shades, so we're gonna try this out, and if you would like to see how I completed this makeup look, just keep on watching. I'm going to start out with this shade here, and it's kind of like a, I don't know, it's kind of like a beigey shade. It's like a really light brown, and I'm gonna sweep this all over the lid and up into the crease and above the crease like a transition shade. Okay, so now I'm going to take the red color, like the reddish brown, and just concentrate that mainly in the crease. Now I'm going to take a flatter brush, and I'm going to take the dark brown shade here and pop this on the outer corner. Then we're going to go back into the reddy shade. Blend. And then lastly, on another flat brush, I'm going to take this lighter orangey brown and pack that all over the lid. Then I'm going to take some of the white shade, and I'm going to be putting that on my brow bone. And then for under the eye, I'm mainly just going to focus on this red shade here. Put that all the way under the lash line, and then a little bit of the dark brown in the outer corner. I'm also going to pop some of that white on the inner corners as well. I'm going to pop on some mascara, and I'll be right back to show you the finished look. Alright guys, so here is the completed makeup look. For mascara, I popped on the Tarte mascara, which actually I'm really loving. It actually gives me both length and volume. It looks so nice. Nice separation. Love this mascara. And then for lips, I popped on one of Marc Jacobs liquid lips in the color Hot Cocoa, which is right here. And yeah, here's the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.